Chapter 12, Managing System Support and Security. This chapter describes system support and security tasks that continue throughout the useful life of the system. This chapter also discusses maintenance, security, backup and disaster recovery, performance measurement, and system obsolescence. Chapter Objectives. Explain the system support and security phase. Explain various techniques for managing systems maintenance and support. Describe backup and disaster recovery. Explain risk management concepts. Introduction. System support and security phase begins when a system becomes operational, continues until the system reaches the end of its life. After delivering the system, the IT team focuses on support and maintenance tasks. Concerns in managing system support and security. User expectations, system performance, security requirements. Maintenance management. The maintenance team, systems administrator, manages computer and network systems. Systems analyst, investigate and locate the source of a problem using analysis and synthesis skills. Programmers include applications programmers, systems programmers, and database programmers. Organizational issues. Organizations have groups that perform maintenance and new systems development, may rotate people from one assignment to another. Maintenance management. Maintenance requests involve a series of steps: initial determination, consideration by the systems review committee, task completion, and user notification. Establishing priorities. Systems review committees may either separate maintenance requests from new systems development requests or evaluate all projects together. Objective: to have a procedure that balances new development and necessary maintenance work. Maintenance management, configuration management, or change control. Control changes in system requirements during software development becomes critical as enterprise-wide information systems grow more complex. It is important to systems with multiple versions running in different hardware and software environments. Helps in organizing and handling documentation. Maintenance management, maintenance releases. Documents and installs changes as a new version. Maintenance release methodology retains all non-critical changes and implements them simultaneously. Advantage: all changes are tested together, resulting in fewer versions and lesser expense. Disadvantage: new features or upgrades are available less often. Service packs, maintenance releases provided by commercial software suppliers. System security overview. Security is a vital part of every computer system. System security concepts. CIA triangle shows the main elements of system security. Elements are used to develop a security policy. System security overview. Risk management involve risk identification, list and classify assets, and analyze possible threats, identify vulnerabilities and how they might be exploited. Risk assessment. Risks need to be calculated and prioritized. Risk control strategies. Avoidance, mitigation, transference, and acceptance. Refer to pages 430 to 431 for more information about risk management. Security levels. Network security. Encrypt network traffic, encryption techniques, private key encryption, and public key encryption. Wireless networks. WPA2 strengthens the level of wireless protection. Private networks can be used when speed is necessary. Virtual private networks establish secure connections for a large number of computers. Ports and services can be affected by port scans and denial of service attacks. A port routes incoming traffic to correct application and service monitors a particular port. Firewalls allow or block network traffic from each network interface based on preset rules. Network intrusion detection system alerts the administrator when it detects suspicious network traffic patterns. Security levels. Application security. Services that are not needed must be disabled. Unnecessary or improperly configured service could create a security hole. Hardening removes unnecessary accounts, services, and features. Application permissions. To provide unauthorized changes applications must be configured to run by users who have specific rights. Input validation helps safeguard data integrity and security. Patches and updates used to repair security holes, reduce vulnerabilities, and update the system. Software logs document all events, help understand past attacks, and prevent future intrusions. Security levels. File security. Encryption scrambles the contents of a file or document to protect it from unauthorized access. Permissions describe the rights a user has to a particular file or directory on a server. Administrators can create user groups and assign file permissions. User security. Identity management. Controls and procedures necessary to identify legitimate users and system components. Strategy must balance technology, security, privacy, cost, and user productivity. Password protection. Password policies need to specify a set of minimum length, complexity, and a limit on invalid attempts. Social engineering. Intruder uses social interaction to gain unauthorized access to a computer system. Includes pretexting. Security levels continue. User resistance. Users need to understand and be part of the organization's commitment to security. New technologies can be used to enhance security and prevent unauthorized access. Procedural security, or operational security, defines how particular tasks are to be performed, includes safeguarding procedures that would be valuable to an attacker. Organization must explain procedures and issue reminders that will make security issues a priority. Backup and recovery. Backup policies. Backup media includes tape, hard drives, optical, and online storage. Offsite, storing backup away from the business location. Cloud-based storage is growing rapidly. Types: full, differential, incremental, and continuous. Retention periods. Backups are stored for a specific time beyond which they are either destroyed or reused. Business continuity issues. A disaster recovery plan should be created along with a test plan. Often part of the business continuity plan, BCP, defines how critical business functions can continue during a major disruption. Specifies the use of a hot site which requires data replication. For more information about backup and recovery, read pages 446 to 448. Chapter summary. System support and security cover the period from the implementation of an information system until the system no longer is used. A maintenance team consists of systems analysts and programmers. Configuration management and system performance measurements are necessities of maintenance management. Security is a vital part of every computer system. Risk management identifies, analyzes, anticipates, and reduces risks to an acceptable level. Data backup and recovery plans are essential. Read Chapter 12 and review key terms.